Hi friends, welcome to Navani Spice Magic. Today I'll be preparing Rasa Wala Khaman, which is a very famous street food of Surat. This recipe consists of crumbled khaman dokla, rasa or gravy, salad and thin sev. Let's check the process. First let's prepare khaman dokla, instant khaman dokla. For that we need turmeric powder, hing, salt to taste, green chili paste, ginger crushed, lemon juice, Eno fruit salt, oil 1 teaspoon, 1 cup of gram flour or besan, 1 cup of water or as much required for making the batter. First we shall sieve the flour so that it doesn't have any lumps and it will be easy for us while mixing. First we'll add turmeric powder, hing, salt to taste, green chili paste, ginger crushed. First we'll mix this properly. We'll add water little by little and make a pouring consistency. The consistency has to be like this. I have used only 3/4 cup of water. Now we'll add lemon juice, oil, mix it properly. Now we'll allow it to rest for 10 minutes. Now we'll grease a bowl in which we are going to prepare dokla. Now this was rested for 10 minutes. Now we'll add Eno fruit salt. Mix it in one direction. Now we'll pour into this. Now the steamer is ready. We'll keep inside this. Cover it and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Preparing rasa or gravy, we need 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of tuar dal, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 3 cloves, peppercorns few, small piece of cinnamon, cumin seeds, few methi seeds. We need to dry roast all these and make a powder, very fine powder. Now we will heat the pan and dry roast all these ingredients. So the dals, jeera, pepper, clove. We'll just dry roast these and make it into fine powder. Now our dokla is ready. We will keep it aside and check for the next process. Now we have roasted the dals and powdered them very finely. Now we'll make a paste out of it. It is so aromatic, I just can't tell you. The smell is so aromatic. So we have to just make it a paste. We have to make it a thin paste because we are going to make a rasa or a gravy. So it has to be medium thickness. It shouldn't be thin or too thick. So this we'll again pour water as and when required while cooking. For preparing rasa, we need green chilies according to your spice. I have taken 2, slit them into long. Hing, Kashmiri chili powder for color, salt to taste, turmeric powder, ginger grated, coriander chopped. For tempering, we need mustard seeds, cumin seeds and 2 red chilies. and little lemon juice in the last. First we'll add little oil. Mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Red chilies. We'll add green chilies. We'll add ginger grated. Few curry leaves. Now we'll add hing, turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder. Give it a mix. Now we'll pour this dal mixture. Adjust water accordingly. Now we'll add little salt and allow this to boil for at least 10 minutes on low flame. We'll leave it for 10 minutes on low flame, then see the next process what we are going to do. Now we'll break these doklas. So now this is done. We'll prepare tempering for this. Now we'll heat the pan and add little oil. Now we'll add few mustard seeds, cumin seeds. We'll add curry leaves, add coriander. Now this is done. We'll pour it into the khaman mixture. Now we'll add this to this. Mix it. Now we have got the desired consistency. It has to be thick like this. Now we'll add coriander. Mix it well. Turn off the stove. Squeeze in little lime juice. This will be according to your taste, how much you want you can squeeze in. Mix it, and this is ready now. Now we'll prepare the salad for rasa khaman, and I have taken these. You can add any others as well, like cucumber and all, but I am taking finely chopped onions, grated carrot, chopped coriander, lemon juice, tomatoes finely chopped, salt to taste, little chaat masala. Now we'll mix these. Taken onions, tomato, coriander, carrot. We'll add little salt, chaat masala, squeeze in little lemon. Mix this properly. Now let's arrange this. This is the khaman dokla. We have to place this on one corner. Add nylon save or thin save over this. Place this salad on the side. Place to save puris in the corner. Now we need to add this rasa. And this is ready to serve. Now our very tasty, mouth-watering and aromatic rasa wala khaman is ready. You just have to take one bite of khaman with little salad and rasa. It really tastes so great. You will just love it. I hope you like this video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.